Queen Elizabeth II, a legacy of leadership. Born on the 21st of April, 1926 in London, England, Elizabeth Alexandra Mary Windsor was not initially destined for the throne. However, the abdication of her uncle, King Edward VIII, placed her father, King George VI, in power, paving the way for Elizabeth to become queen. From a young age, Elizabeth showed qualities of leadership, resilience, and dedication that would guide her throughout her reign. Elizabeth's childhood was marked by the influence of political and historical events. During World War II, she and her sister, Princess Margaret, were relocated to Windsor Castle for their safety. At the tender age of 14, Elizabeth made her first radio broadcast, addressing fellow British children and showing solidarity in a time of crisis. This experience showcased her nascent abilities as a figure of national reassurance. The end of the war brought a new era, and Elizabeth embraced her role with grace and vigour. She married Philip Mountbatten in 1947, and the couple had 4 children: Charles, Anne, Andrew, and Edward. Elizabeth's life took another turn in 1952 when her father passed away, making her queen at the age of 25. Queen Elizabeth II's reign was the longest of any British monarch, spanning 7 decades filled with significant changes and challenges. She witnessed and adapted to the advancements in technology, the fluctuation of political landscapes, and the evolving social norms. Her approach to leadership was marked by a blend of tradition and modernity. She aptly navigated issues like the decolonization of Africa and the Caribbean, affirming her commitment to the Commonwealth and its growing independence. Despite the changing world around her, Queen Elizabeth II maintained a steadfast dedication to her duties, often reflecting her famous vow, "I declare before you all that my whole life, whether it be long or short, shall be devoted to your service." Her stoic presence became a symbol of continuity and stability. Her legacy is defined not just by her time on the throne, but also by her ability to adapt, lead, and maintain the relevance of the monarchy in the contemporary world. Queen Elizabeth II remains a global icon, remembered fondly for her unwavering commitment to her people and her timeless elegance. Her story serves as a reminder of the power of dedicated, compassionate, and adaptable leadership.